Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making le Fritelle di Asparagus. I'm going to start now. Not too many ingredients. Eggs, parsley, Romano cheese, a little bit of salt, garlic, fresh garlic. Just show you the way I'm going to cut them. So you just go with a knife until you get a tender spot, which I did. See? And this one, you throw it away. You see all that purple? That's no good. By the way, these are washed and they're all clean. Okay, so here I got the tender spot. Okay, and you throw that in the garbage. Chop them small. I'm not gonna blanch these because they are so tender, so I'm just gonna do them small this way. So you just cut them like that. And I'm gonna leave the tip like that. Okay, now that I showed you the way you cut them, I'm gonna finish those to cut them on my own because it takes a little bit of time. Okay, I'm all done with the chopping. See how small they are? Okay, now I'm gonna add all the other ingredients. Okay, so I'm gonna start with garlic. And this is Romano cheese. Okay. Italian parsley. Just put some salt. Eggs. Okay. Oops. Mix. See, the mixture looks good. See? Looks good for frying. Okay? Okay, I'm ready for frying. The oil, it's ready. You just get by a nice big tablespoonful, and with the help of your finger, just to make a nice little patty, like a frittelle. Okay. And you just kind of fix it with a spoon. And now I've turned the heat to medium, and here I have some paper towel, and I'm gonna be putting the frittelle on paper towel. Very good. It smells so good. They look beautiful. Fritelle di Asparagi. Beautiful. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time. Ciao for now.